that we have the repository installed, we're going to install our very first application. So I'm going to use the search bar, type in Plex. Then I'm going to ensure that I'm installing the TrueCharts version, not the official. This is made by IX Systems. This is made by TrueCharts. They're completely separate entities. Click Install. Copy and paste the name. Click Next, Next. The only thing here that we're going to change is I'm going to delete the IP range that I don't use. I'm not on the 10 network, I'm on the 192.168 as you can see up here. So I'm going to delete that. Click Next. Leave everything in networking as is. Next, 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 and you'll see our options that we have chosen at the very last screen. We only changed one thing, this, and we gave the application a name. And that's all it takes to launch your very first application. After that's done, you can go ahead and come up here, exit that out, go to installed applications, and wait for your application to go from the deploying state to the started state, or the active state. As you can see, it's now active. So if we click on the web portal, the application will come up.